If you are still applying to jobs with the boring two-page PDF resumes, you are doing it wrong. In 2026, we don't just tell recruiters what we can do, we show them. Today I'm going to show you how I built an AI clone of myself, a custom Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG chatbot that actually takes job interviews for me. We are going to use LangChain, Google's Gemini AI, and Streamlit to turn any boring PDF into interactive AI agent. By the end of this video, you will have a jaw-dropping project for your own portfolio. Let's get into it. First, let's see what we are building. This is the live app. An interviewer lands on this page and can ask literally anything about my professional background. Watch this. I ask, what projects have you worked on? And instantly, it streams human-like response. Notice how it isn't just hallucinating, it's pulling exact facts directly from my actual resume. This is the magic of RAG. We are not just prompting an LLM, we are giving it a brain loaded with our specific personal data. So, how does this actually work? The architecture is beautifully simple but extremely powerful. Step 1. We take the PDF resume and chop it into a small, readable chunks using Python. Step 2. We use Google Generative AI to convert these text chunks into a numbers called embeddings. Step 3. We store these numbers into a face vector database. Think of face as a massive, hyper-fast filling cabinet. Finally, when a recruiter asks a question, the app searches our face cabinet for the most relevant resume chunks, hands them to a Gemini model, and says, hey, using only this information, answer the user's question. The result, zero hallucination and 100% accuracy. Let's jump into the code. The entire brain of this operation lives in main.py. First, the setup. We load our environment variables, specifically our Google API key. Remember, never hardcode your API keys unless you want massive billing surprise. We extract text from PDF and use LangChain's text splitters to break it down. Then we initialize our Google Generative AI embeddings. This is where the magic happens. We build our face index and save it locally. This means we don't have to reprocess the PDF every single time someone visits the app. It's incredibly fast. For the front end, we use Streamlit. With just a few lines of Python, we get this gorgeous chat interface. We take the user's prompt, run a similarity search against our face database, and pass that context directly to the LLM to stream the response back to the UI. And there you have it, a fully functional GenAI resume chatbot that will make your portfolio absolutely stand out. I have open sourced the entire project, so the link of the GitHub repo is in the description below. Go, fork it, plug in your own resume and deploy it for free. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more hardcore developer projects, and let me know in the comments what we should build next. Until next time, keep coding.